How to add Instagram link to Twitter is very simple. Tap on your Twitter icon, which is at the very top. From here, go to your profile option. Now here, tap on edit profile, which is at the very top. Now in the website, you can copy paste the link. Let me show you how. First and foremost, what you have to do is head back to your Instagram and tap on share profile option at the side. Here something like this should pop up. Now tap on copy link option, the second one. As you can see, it is copied. Now all you have to do is head back to your Twitter and paste the link that you just copied here. You can scroll back to the very front and just write Instagram here. You can also shorten the link here. I will show you how, or I'll tell you how. Now just tap on Instagram. Now if you find this link very long and very unmanaged, what you can do is you can Google search for Bitly. It will look something like this here, and if you tap on it and wait for it to load, so this is a URL shortener. You can go and give it a try, and you can get it for free also. But here, first and foremost, you have to log in, and here by copying pasting the URL, you can just shorten it if you want. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.